हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल माधव जी के क्लासेस। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है करंट अफेयर्स। इसमें मैंने आपके लिए बहुत ही वेरी मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस लेके रखे हैं जो कि हर एग्जाम के लिए बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट है, तो प्लीज बहुत ध्यान से ये वीडियो देखिए। तो आइए शुरू करते हैं। What is the theme of Vibrant Gujarat Global Summit 2024? Gateway to the future, hope of a future, new technologies or gateway of technologies? And the correct answer is gateway to the future. इसको इनॉग्रेट किया था प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी ने 10th of January 2024 को। पहली बार ये किया गया था 2003 में और इस बार ये 10th एडिशन है इसका, और इसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी है 2, यानी हर 2 साल पे ये कराया जाता है। और वेन्यू था इसका गांधीनगर। अदर क्वेश्चंस, करंट चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ गुजरात श्री भूपेंद्र पटेल, कैपिटल ऑफ गुजरात गांधीनगर। गवर्नर ऑफ गुजरात करंटली आचार्य देवव्रत। हु इज द न्यू प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ फ्रांस? एम्यूल मैक्रोन, गैब्रियल अटल, जीन कास्टेक और एलिजाबेथ बोर्ने? एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज गैब्रियल अटल। Every year, on which day World Hindi Day celebrated? 10th of January, 12th of January, 14th of January or 15th of January? And the correct answer is 10th of January. And the theme of this year is Hindi, Bridging Traditional Knowledge and Artificial Intelligence. Who is the new president of Taiwan? Su Sang-chang, Tsai Ing-wen, Lai Ching-ten or none of the above? And the correct answer is Lai Ching-te. Who is the author of book The Professional's Handbook of ChatGPT? V. Pattabhiram and Dangar Chandyu Jain or Umesh Kumar Bharti and D.D. Bisht or Ashok Tandon or none of the above? And the correct answer is V. Pattabhiram and Dangar Chandyu Jain. Which Indian has won the gold medal in 27 kg category in Zagreb Open Wrestling Tournament 2024? Amir Ali, Aman Sherawat, Sushil Kumar or Geeta Fogat? And the correct answer is Aman Sherawat. IIT Madras is going to set up its first international campus in Romania, Sri Lanka, Tanzania or Nepal? And the correct answer is Tanzania. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the India's largest bridge over the sea, Atal Setu, is in Mumbai, Kochi, Chennai or Visakhapatnam? And the correct answer is Mumbai. पहले इसका नाम मुंबई ट्रांस हार्बर लिंक था, अब उसका नाम बदलकर हो गया है अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी सेवरी नहवा सेवा अटल सेतु। इट इज द लॉन्गेस्ट ब्रिज एंड ऑल्सो द लॉन्गेस्ट सी ब्रिज। इसकी जो टोटल लेंथ है वो है 21.8 किलोमीटर, जिसमें से इंक्लूडिंग है 16.5 किलोमीटर जो कि समुद्र के ऊपर है। Which tiger reserve has got the title of India's first dark sky park? बांदीपुर टाइगर रिजर्व कर्नाटक, मानस टाइगर रिजर्व असम, सिंपलीपाल टाइगर रिजर्व ओडिशा और पेंच टाइगर रिजर्व इन महाराष्ट्र? And the correct answer is Pench Tiger Reserve in Maharashtra. Who is the current Chief Minister of Rajasthan? Bhajan Lal Sharma, Vasundhara Raje, Manohar Lal Khattar or Pramod Sawant? And the correct answer is Bhajan Lal Sharma. Rashtriya Gokul Mission comes under which Ministry of Government of India? Ministry of Education, Ministry of Agriculture and Family Welfare, Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying or Ministry of MSME? And the correct answer is Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying. Who is the author of book Gandhi, A Life of Three campaign? M.J. Akbar and K. Natwar Singh, Chetan Bhagat, Anita Desai or Vikram Seth? And the correct answer is M.J. Akbar and K. Natwar Singh. Who is the current Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh? Eknath Shinde, Mohan Yadav, Nitish Kumar or Hemant Soren? And the correct answer is Mohan Yadav. Cambridge Dictionary's word of the year is hallucinate, humor, perseverance, or persistence. And the correct answer is hallucinate. Collins Dictionary word of the year 2023 is AI or artificial intelligence. Oxford Dictionary word of the year 2023 is Riz. Who is the first woman appointed as Director General of Central Industrial Security Force CISF? Sangeeta Kalia, Neena Singh, Charu Singh or Jyoti Singh? And the correct answer is Neena Singh. What is the theme of Army Day celebrated on 15th of January 2024? In the service of the nation, year of technology absorption, in stride with the future, or courage service duty. And the correct answer is in the service of the nation. This year, India is celebrating 76th Army Day. Which state government of India has launched Operation Amrit to prevent the overuse of antibiotics in the state? Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala or Andhra Pradesh? And the correct answer is Kerala. Amrit stands for Antimicrobial Resistance Intervention for Total Health. Kerala Drug Control Department has launched this test. Who inaugurated the 5th Meghalaya Games 2024? President Draupadi Murmu, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar or Chief Minister Conrad Sangma? And the correct answer is President Draupadi Murmu. Venue of Meghalaya Games is Tura, one of the largest towns in Meghalaya in Garo Hills. ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2024 will be hosted by which countries? India and Sri Lanka, United States and West Indies, New Zealand and Australia, and UAE and Oman. And the correct answer is United States and West Indies. Which state will host the Khelo India Youth Games 2023? Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu or Karnataka? And the correct answer is Tamil Nadu. Chief guest of Khelo India Youth Games 2023 is Shri Anurag Thakur. He is current Minister of Sports and Youth Affairs. Games will be held in 19 to 31st of January. Who has won the Best FIFA Men's Player title 2023? Lionel Messi, Cristiano Ronaldo, Neymar or Erling Haaland? And the correct answer is Lionel Messi. Lionel Messi is from Argentina. Capital of Argentina is Buenos Aires and the currency is peso. Which country has won FIFA World Cup 2023? England, Spain, Brazil or Germany? And the correct answer is England. FIFA stands for International Federation of Association Football. This year, the host country was Saudi Arabia. फर्स्ट नंबर पे इंग्लैंड है, सेकंड नंबर पे जो कि रनर अप है वो है ब्राजील और जो थर्ड आई है कंट्री वो है इजिप्ट. Which country has won FIFA Women's World Cup 2023? Sweden, Spain, Brazil or Australia? And the correct answer is Spain. Venue of the games was ऑस्ट्रेलिया एंड न्यूजीलैंड. गेम की शुरुआत हुई थी 20 जुलाई को और एंड हुआ है 20 अगस्त को. रनर अप कंट्री है इंग्लैंड और जो थर्ड नंबर पे आई है वो है स्वीडन. हु इज द करंट आरबीआई गवर्नर ऑफ इंडिया? रघुराम राजन, निर्मला सीतारमन, शक्तिकांत दास और नन ऑफ द अबव. एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज शक्तिकांत दास. Headquarter of Reserve Bank of India is in Mumbai. Who is the new director of Central Bureau of Investigation CBI? DP Kohli, Praveen Sood, Subodh Jaiswal or Rishi Kumar Shukla? And the correct answer is Praveen Sood. Pravasiya Bharati Divas celebrated on which day? 15th of January, 12th of January, 10th of January on 9th of January. And the correct answer is 9th of January. theme of this year is Diaspora, Reliable Partner for India's Progress in Amrit Kal. 43rd ASEAN Summit 2023 was held at Phnom Penh, Cambodia, New Delhi, India, Jakarta, Indonesia, or Manila, Philippines. And the correct answer is Jakarta, Indonesia. Which Indian has won Raman Magsaysay Award 2023? R. Ravi Khannan, Rajendra Singh, Mahesh Mehta, or Ravish Kumar? And the correct answer is R. Ravi Khannan. आर रवि कन्नन को ये अवार्ड मिला है हेल्थ केयर सेक्टर में। ये एक ऑन्कोलॉजिस्ट हैं। ऑन्कोलॉजिस्ट मतलब जो कैंसर का इलाज करते हैं। इनको पद्मश्री अवार्ड भी मिल चुका है। ये असम के कैंसर हॉस्पिटल के डायरेक्टर भी हैं। फर्स्ट इंडियन जिसको रमन मैग्सेसे अवार्ड मिला था उनका नाम है विनोबा भावे और दिस ईयर 65th रमन मैग्सेसे अवार्ड था ये। Who is the current president of Maldives country? Mohammad Wahid Hassan, Mohammad Muizzu, Abdullah Yamin, or none of the above? And the correct answer is Mohammad Muizzu. Best Film Award in 69th National Award 2023. Rocketry, Mimi, The Kashmir Files, Pushpa, The Rise. And the correct answer is Rocketry. RBI has increased the upper limit of an offline payment transaction to 200, 500, 1000 or 2000 and the correct answer is 500. अगर आप लोगों को मेरी ये चैनल पसंद आई हो तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब करिए। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।